Hi everyone, I already received my free trial ng Shein. Okay, so I need to get this out, so I gonna show you everyone. Charan! Okay, so if there is a Filipino watching out there, for sure you will say something like, really? Nakuha siya ng free? Yes guys. Free ko lang po ito nakuha kasi I tried affiliate in Shein everyone. Okay. So ito. Ang ganda, di ba po? I like the color. It's color pink. Actually, I forgot this. I received this yesterday and I said to the delivery, really, that is really mine? And then she said, yes ma'am, that's yours. The delivery person is a woman. I said, really? So when I checked, oh yes, I remember. This is a free trial. Ang ganda guys. Super ganda. I really like it. Sexy looks. I love it. So kailangan guys, i-try ko po siya. Of course. Ganito ang gagawin natin. Girl, lalo tayo everyone. Okay. So look at that. Wait lang. Okay. Yay! I like the color. Pretty. Kapag binili mo ito po siya, teka lang guys ha, medyo hindi siya makikita masyado. Kailangan makita po siya. Ano po? Anong purpose natin dyan? I-model natin ito. Oh, yan! Napakaganda. Napakaganda ng aking free trial from Shein. Oh my. Ang ganda. Bagay ba guys? Looks really nice. It's really nice. Deserve ko naman dahil nag-shop ako sa bagay na bagay siya. Dapat pink din yung aking dress. But next time everyone. I want another one, but I gonna try again. Hindi pa na-approve yung iba kung ano. So yan. Ang ganda. So at least, you know, I have free trial. Sabi namin ba namang in-order ko sa kanila. I deserve the trial too. You know.